Now we're going to talk about how to convert between degrees and radians. Okay, so one thing that we saw was that 180 degrees, so halfway around the circle, is pi radians. So if we want to go from degrees to radians, we're going to think about we need to cancel out degrees in the bottom. So we're going to put 180 degrees, and we're going to take pi divided by 180 degrees. To go from radians to degrees, we're going to multiply by 180 degrees over pi. Okay, so if we want to put 60 degrees in radians, we would take 60 degrees. And you can know which way you're going because we want to cancel out degrees and have radians. So we're going to put degrees down here so that our degrees cancel out, and pi up here. Okay, then we need to think of simplifying this fraction, and we can do that on our calculator. So 60 divided by 180, we see is 1/3. So 60 degrees is pi over 3 radians. Okay, if we have 286.5 degrees and we want to go to radians, we would take 286.5 times pi over 180, and again, kind of the degrees cancel out, and then we can use our calculator to simplify this fraction. So we're going to do 286.5 divided by 180. Okay, so that gives us 191 over 120, and the pi will still be up top, so this will be 191 pi over 120. Okay, now we're going to go radians to degrees. So if we have 7 pi radians, I'm going to take 7 pi times 180 over pi. So here the pi cancel out, and we're just going to take 7 times 180. So we see that this is 1,260 degrees. Okay, now here we see that we have 3.8 radians. So 3.8, and we're not going to add a pi or anything, it really just is 3.8 radians. We're going to multiply by 180 divided by pi, and we can do this all on our calculator. We're going to take 3.8 times 180 divided by pi. Okay, and we can round to 2 decimal places. We'll see that this is 217.72 degrees. Okay, and if we have 1 radian, we would take 1 times 180 over pi. And we see that that is about 57 point, if we round it, it would be 30 degrees. Okay, so to go between degrees and radians, you really need to remember this relationship. And to go from degrees to radians, you multiply by pi over 180. And to go from radians to degrees, you multiply by 180 over pi.